Continuing on with this month's festive theme, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Traditional, carol, open chords, ideal for beginners to get your bearings strumming along and changing chords. For those who want to sing or play along for somebody else to sing, this is perfect. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Glad tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today's chords are C, F, D, G, E7 and A minor. We'll be taking care of the verse first. I believe there are 4 verses in this song. There may be more depending which version you know. To begin with, I'll be alternating the strumming pattern between each alternate chord. When we play the C, we have a strumming pattern down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and. When we change to the F, down, down, down. We go to the D, we do the same strumming pattern as the C. 1 and 2 and 3 and. We move to the G, down, down, down. E7, 1 and 2 and 3 and. A minor, down, down, down. It changes now. F, F, G, C. I'll play that chord progression through and sing along slowly so you can see how the chords and the words fit together. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The next section acts as a chorus. Glad tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The strumming pattern for this section is more continuous and filled in. This builds the momentum and it keeps the song pushing forwards. Down, down, up, down. I'll put the chords together and sing along slowly. Glad tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a merry. When we get to the next G, we play punctuated stabs on Christmas and then silence the strings and back to F, Happy New Year. There we have it, all the parts you need to beautifully make it through We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Now there are so many recordings of this song, all with slightly different song structures. The one I know is to sing the verse, then the chorus, then we've got a verse, then we've got a verse, and then we've got another chorus. But it's a carol and it's there to tell a story and it's there to be sung. So you pick and choose as you wish with this one. For another Christmas song, check out this lesson on Silent Night, which begins with the melody by itself and then at the end of the lesson shows you how to do a simple strumming pattern with the chords so you can sing along or accompany somebody else. I'll see you next time.